Hi students, in this video I would like to show you a few mistakes that can be done when you deal with algebraic expressions. So basically 4 mistakes I am going to show in this video. The first mistake I am going to tell is the coefficient of one of a term usually not shown. So the same see here, when you get a question like this, x plus 2x plus 3x, so you need to add these three terms. Usually when you write x, it has a coefficient of 1, it is actually 1x. So under the wrong approach means in the wrong way, students used to forget the coefficient of 1. So they just add 2x and 3x 5x, they ignore this x. So in the right approach, or in the correct way, how we need to do, x has the coefficient of 1, so this also must be added, so totally we get 6x. So this is the first mistake that you must give proper attention. And the second mistake is when we multiply an expression which is having a bracket. So this I am not reading, I am going with the example. See here, here 2 into 2x plus 3 is given. Many students used to multiply only this with this, 2 into 2x 4x, and they ignore this, they ignore the 3. It's actually wrong. Whatever is in the bracket, they all must get the same treatment. So when you are multiplying 2 with 2x, you also need to multiply with 3. So under the correct way, it will become 2 into 2x, that is 4x, and also 2 into 3, that is 6. So this is the second mistake that you need to give attention. Now let's see the third one. In third mistake, when we square a monomial, here you see 2x the whole square. So when we square like these terms, we must square whatever is in the with them, or we must square the numerical coefficient and also the letter, both. So usually students used to write 2x the whole square as 2x square. This is wrong. Under the right approach, 2x the whole square means you must square the 2 and also you must square the x, because 2x means 2 into x the whole square. So this square must be given to both. 2 square is 4 and x square is x. This is the right approach. Now let's see the last mistake that is possible to happen. That is when we square a binomial, or by see here 2x plus 3 the whole square. This is a very common mistake that happens with the students. When they get 2x plus 3 the whole square, they simply square both the terms which are in the bracket. They square 2x and also they square 3. So they get 4x square plus 9. This is utterly wrong. This is totally wrong, because 2x plus 3 the whole square hold an identity. It's actually an identity, a plus b the whole square. So you must use that certain identity only. In a plus b the whole square, there is not only a square and b square, there is a 2ab also. So this one many students forget. So under the right approach, a square, that is 4x square, b square, that is 9, and also there must be a 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3, that is 12x. So this is the correct approach. So these are the 4 mistakes that I wanted to show you. Please keep it in mind while you deal with algebraic expressions. Thank you.